Yeah, hi there. I'm Andrew from Gold Coast Plumbing Company. Just going to show you a new toilet that we've installed. The owner had a really old ceramic pan with the old plastic style system. Plastic had gone all sort of yellow from the UV light, etc. So what we've done is we've upgraded the toilet to this nice back to wall unit. I guess a couple of the features is it's dual flush, as most toilets are now, but what sets this one apart is it has the rimless design, so there's actually no rim. There's just like a groove around the bowl, so it makes it very hygienic for cleaning. It's just a matter of, if you have a hygienic cloth, you can just run that through around the groove of the toilet and that's it, it's done. And the seat is a soft close seat, so when you're in the middle of the night, finish doing what you're doing, you can just throw the seat closed and it just nice and easy, it closes itself like that. So quite a nice toilet suite, and it lends itself really well to situations where there's tiling all the way up the wall, and that way we can get the whole toilet suite up to the back of the wall.